Today we make yummy pancakes. You like pancakes? Yummy pancakes. Okay, let's make pancakes. Okay friends, let's take a bowl. Okay friends, let's break an egg. Okay guys, let's add some sugar. Let's add some milk. Okay, let's mix it. Okay, after it beats softly like this. Okay friends, let's add some vanilla essence. Let's add some baking powder. Let's add 1 spoon of salt. Let's mix it. Let's mix it slowly. Let's add some flour. Mix. Okay, I whisk it properly. It's done. Okay, let's take a pan. Put it on the stove. On the stove. Now I add some butter. After the butter heats, let's add some batter. Add some batter. Wait for 5 minutes. Now we flip. Be careful. So simple, guys. Cake is done. Let's add some honey. What's that yummy tasty smell? It's pancakes, my brother. Come in. Oh, looks delicious. Let's eat one. I want a slice of pancake. I'll take one. Ah. So yummy! Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Support What Nikali Ki channel.